It's no secret that the 2017 and 2018 Super Duty's 6.7-liter Power Stroke engine pumps out a ton of power. What might come as a surprise is that as you stack on power through bolt-on upgrades and tuning, the factory intercooler pipes can overheat and crack under pressure. Thankfully, H&S Motorsports Intercooler Pipe Upgrade Kit is designed to handle the increased heat and pressure of modded Super Duties. The billet coupler and reinforced silicone hose provide you with the security you need for your intercooler piping to ensure you don't have any failures down the line that leave you stranded. We begin under the hood at the stock intercooler tubing. Find the air intake sensor and unplug it from the harness on the truck. Pop it out of the pushpin and hose clip, then set it aside. Using a pick, grab a hold of the metal clip around the factory coupler and begin to work it off of the coupler connection. Be careful not to bend or break it since it will be reused. Then take the coupler and stock hose off of the throttle body. Looking down towards the intercooler, you will see the band clamp that holds the other end of the factory intercooler tube. Grab a long extension and loosen the clamp to enable you to pull the hose from the intercooler and out of the truck. To make it a little easier, you can remove the bolt holding the power steering fluid reservoir to the fan shroud and push it out of the way. Twist the air sensor counterclockwise and pull it from the factory hose. It will transfer over to the new billet piece in the reverse order it was removed from the stock coupler. The new coupler can then be attached to the silicone hose with a new band clamp along with the factory metal clip. You can see here how it slides into the grooves on the coupler. Inside of the coupler, you can insert the supplied O-ring in the groove to seal the coupler and hose when it is installed. Now the hose can be placed in the truck and attached to the intercooler. Before tightening the clamp on the intercooler side, push the billet coupler onto the throttle body until it clicks in place and you cannot pull it back off. Then tighten the intercooler connection. Now replace the power steering reservoir back onto the fan shroud. Lastly, plug in the air sensor connection, tighten the band clamp on the coupler, and the installation is finished. It is nice to now have the peace of mind that our intercooler tube has been beefed up to handle loads of power and heat that we can now throw at our potent 6.7-liter Power Stroke. Check out all of the details on this product by clicking the product link and heading to our website in the description below. Don't forget to also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for the latest on all things Super Duty.